Hello friends, welcome to Saving with Cecile. In this video, I will share a Walgreens best deal, especially if you are looking for Father's Day gift or last minute gift to be added. This Old Spice deodorant Alchemist smells so good, guys, and also the Cashmere Colony Mist spray, it smells good as well. Or if you want, you can just grab the deodorant, or if you want the body spray, you can grab this one. So the price, they are the expensive one. The price is $13.99 each. It's on promotion, buy one and get one 50% off, but we will get for very low cost by combining with other coupons, which I will share that scenario, the one I did by the end of this video. If this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in and watching Saving with Cecile. And I just want to say hi to you and welcome. And if you're subscribers, thank you for always coming back and watching Saving with Cecile. Before sharing deals, I want you to be aware of high digital coupons, the one we have at Walgreens, because sometimes when I share my deals, it can be something that you don't need it or you don't want it, but at least I want you to be aware of high digital coupons, the one we have, and you can put the deal together with this spending booster, the one we receive. This week, spend 60. We know that is very high. And then you get $12 in Walgreens cash. So we have Nexus. The coupon for Nexus is $18 off of two when you grab a two digital coupon. And this one is expiring on June 28th. We have an unlimited use digital coupon for Venice or Gillette is a 6 of 1, and a 6 of 1 is unlimited, so that means that you can use as many time as you want. So for each item, it will take a 6 of 1. So if you grab two, it will take off 12. So it's gonna go like that. And this one is expiring on June 28th. Also, for the Venice, you're gonna combine it with, we have this one over here, 10 of 1. So it's gonna be on the Gillette or Venice, and this one is expiring on June 20. For the Gillette, we have a 20 off of 1 on. So this one is attaching on Gillette razor blade refills, and then it is expiring on June 20. We have a 10 of 2 digital coupon on Colgate is expiring on June 14. And this coupon over here, the Colgate Total, the one we have over here, is on sale for $6. Even it said at $7.49, but it's on sale for $6. And so if you grab a two, let's say that you grab a two is $12, and then we have a 10 of 2 digital coupon. But the stores near me, I check because I have one scenario, the one I want to put together with this. This is really high coupons, but none of the store in my area they have this Colgate over here. Because the reason I want to share this high value coupon, like I said earlier, so you can use them when you do the spend booster, and I put the expiration date over there, or you can see. Like for this week, is spend 60 and get $12 in Walgreens cash. So if you go grab the items, the one that have a high value coupon, so it's gonna lower your out of pocket cost, guys. So let's go talking about this high value coupons. So I wanna share this scenario, but this one I didn't do. I didn't do this. I'm gonna share the second. Gonna be the one I did in the store. So on this, you can grab one Old Spice deodorant for men, the Alchemist for $13.99. Like I say, it's on promotion. Buy one and get one 50% off. And you can add one color. You can the body spray mist, and Or if you want, you can just add it to deodorant, whatever you prefer. So you can have a deodorant or you can have the body spray. And also is $13.99 is on promotion. Buy one and get one 50% off. So when you're gonna grab this too, so you're gonna need to clip this 10 off to digital coupon. So grab one meal. This one is leave-in conditioner for $6.79, and then you clip a 3 off one digital coupon. Grab two Garnier fritters for $4.49. So the total it will be $8.98. And then you're gonna need to clip a 3 off two digital coupon. Grab two Colgate total for $4 each. So the total is gonna be 8, and then you clip a 4 of two digital coupon. Grab one Febreze plug-in warmer for $3.50, and then we have a $3.50 digital coupon. Grab one Gillette Venice razor blade for $26.99, and then you clip a 10 of one digital coupon, and also clip a 6 of one. The one is unlimited. And you're going to need to use the code June 15, and it will take off $2.82. So the total everything over here is $75.24. And you're going to use the promo code. So the promo code is going to take the code, and also that is 6 of 1. So this is where $8.82 are coming from. So after that, after the coupons, and the total coupons is going to be $33.50. So after coupon, you will pay $32.92 plus tax, and then you will get $17 in Walgreens cash. Mine over here it only show $5 in Walgreens cash because I already use the spend booster. Spend 60 and then get $12 in Walgreens cash. But this is a scenario. If it's something the one you want, that's what I want to show you. So don't worry about money showing 5 in Walgreens cash, but it will be $17 in Walgreens cash because it's gonna be 12. It's gonna be when you spend 60. Our threshold is 60, and then we have two is when you buy two Garnier fritters, and $3 is when you buy two Colgate. So you will get $17 in Walgreens cash. And also submit your receipt to Abota for $2 each for Old Spicy. Yeah, so since we're grabbing two, so you will get $4 from Abota, and submit the receipt to Fetch, and then you will get $7 back when you spend 50. So that's the reason why you will grab a two Old Spicy, and then this meal leave-in conditioner. They qualify for the total is gonna be 50, and then you're gonna get $7 back from Fetch, which you will make the final cost for everything is gonna be for $75 to $4.92 or 54 cents each, guys. This is a really good deal. And now let me share the deal, the one I did in the store, because since I like shea body wash. Like I said, everybody has their own preference, so that was the reason why I gave you the high digital coupons, the one you can use. So what I did, I grabbed Old Spice deodorant. The one is $13.99. Buy one and get one 50% off, and then I add the All Spicy Body Spray for $13.99. Buy one and get one 50% off. And then I clip a 10 off two digital coupon. I grab a two Old Spicy Body Spray for $8.99. Is also on promotion. Buy one and get one 50% off. So the total is gonna be $13.48. And then I clip a 5 of two digital coupon. I grab a Shea Moisture Body Wash for other store is a $13.99, but this store I was on my way to go to work, and then I went on this store. This one is $14.49. But if you can see most of the store is $13.99. And then you keep a 5 off 1 digital coupon. I grab a Tushy African bar soap for $8.99. It's on promotion. Buy one and get one 50% off. So the total is gonna be $13.48, and then you keep 2 of 1 digital coupon. So my total over here is $62.43. And the total coupon, since we do this one in the store, we cannot do Walgreens code. So so the total is $62.43. And total coupons is $22. So pay $40.43 plus tax, because it depends which state you are. And then you will get $12 in Walgreens cash when you will spend 60. You will get $10 a registry reward when you spend 25 or share Monster product. And they get a $4 a registry reward when you buy 4 Old Spicy deodorant. And submit your receipt to Abota, and Abota, you're gonna get $4 back, because it's $2 each. And also submit my receipt to Fetch. I got $9 back uh for buying the Old Spicy and the Shea Moisture, because this one is another bundle, the one you're gonna get from Fetch, which guys, it make the final cost for everything over here. The one, like I said, it started, the value is $62.43. The final cost for all the items over here is only $1.43, or 20 cents each, guys. This is a really good deal. I know that you're gonna agree with me. And also, like I say, I was grabbing for Father's Day gift, because I wanted this Old Spicy package for me to do for the Father's Day gift. So guys, I already finished with my video. I was about to upload it, and then I said that, oh, let me just go back one more time in Walgreens app to check if they have a Colgate deal. The one is $6, and then you grab a two, it will take off $10 off. So, and then I went, I checked, oh my God, now this one is in stock. But I'm like, let me put this deal together. If someone is gonna watch this video to the end, like I say, if we need uh, Father's Day gift, and I know that a lot of men, they need razors, and then I'm like, no, let me put this deal, but and to put together, and this is now the one I'm gonna share, so you can add for Father's Day gift. So you're gonna need to grab one Gillette Pro Glide razor for $39.99, and then a clipper 15 off of 1 digital coupon, and also 6 of 1 unlimited digital coupon is attaching for this. And grab one Febreze plug-in for $3.50, and then a clip of $3.50 digital coupon. Grab a two Colgate for $6 each, so the total is gonna be 12, and then a clip 10 off 2 digital coupon. Grab a one Gillette for $26.99, and then a clip 10 off 1 digital coupon, and also 6 of 1 digital coupon is attaching. So you're gonna need to use the code June20. It will take off $6.40. So the total for all the items over here, the total is $82.48. And the promo code, so the promo code is gonna take off $18.40. And the total coupons, guys, they are $28.50. And out of pocket, you will pay $25.58. And then you will get, if you don't use you spend booster, spend 60, and then get $12 in Walgreens cash. You will get $12 in Walgreens cash, which will make the final cost is going to be $13.58 for all the items over here, guys. From $82.48 to $13.58. This is a really good deal. And I know that a lot of men, they need razors, so you can grab this one for Father's Day, guys. This is a really good deal, and I'm happy to share with everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe and don't forget to push the notification bell so you can be notified next time when I'm going to upload a new video. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.